If you are a US resident or have a US address and Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN, you can apply for a credit card from Valley Bank, which has branches primarily in New Jersey, New York, Florida, and Alabama. Here's a general guide on how to apply for a Valley Bank credit card in the USA, following a 5-step structure. Step 1. Explore Valley Bank's credit card options. Visit the official Valley Bank website. Navigate to the Personal or Business section and then look for Credit Cards. Review the different credit cards offered by Valley Bank. Pay attention to the rewards programs, cashback, points, etc., introductory annual percentage rates, APRs, annual fees, and any other specific benefits associated with each card. Consider your individual or business spending habits and financial goals to determine which card best aligns with your needs. For example, if you travel frequently, a card with travel rewards might be appealing. Step 2. Check eligibility requirements. While specific eligibility criteria will vary depending on the card, generally, you'll need a good credit score and a valid US address. Business credit cards will likely require information about your business. Valley Bank might have specific requirements related to their service area or existing banking relationships. Review these details on their website or by contacting them directly. Step 3. Gather your necessary information. Collect the required personal and financial information to expedite the application process. This typically includes your full legal name, date of birth, Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN, current US residential address, phone number, email address, employment information, if applicable, gross annual income, business information, if applying for a business card. Step 4. Complete the credit card application. Visit the specific page for the Valley Bank credit card you've chosen on their website. Look for an Apply Now or similar button to start the online application. Fill out the application form accurately and completely with the information you gathered in the previous step. Carefully review all the information you've entered before submitting. Step 5. Review and submit your application. Read the terms and conditions associated with the credit card and the application process thoroughly. Ensure you understand the interest rates, fees, and cardholder agreement. Once you are confident that all the information is correct and you agree to the terms, click the Submit button to send your application to Valley Bank. After submitting your application, Valley Bank will review it, which will likely involve checking your credit history. They will notify you of their decision, usually by mail or email. The processing time can vary.